This video will show you how to use Microsoft Word to add text to an image on your computer. Open your project in Word. Click the Insert tab. Click Text box. Enter your text. You'll see your text entered into a movable object. You can highlight your text and change the font size, color, and style before continuing. Don't deselect the text box yet. Click the Format tab. Format your text box in Shape Styles. Click Shape Fill and select No Fill. Click Shape Outline and select No Outline. Drag and drop your text box over the picture. Group the picture and text box. You can do this by clicking the picture to select it, then pressing and holding Control and clicking the text box to select it as well. Under the Format tab, click Group.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.